Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. I'm just sitting out here in my backyard on the swing on this nice 83-degree day. I cut my grass the other day. The sun is shining. We've got all kinds of flowers blooming. We've got reds and blues and purples. The grass is getting green again. The trees are starting to bloom. And it's a good day for a channel shout out. Alright, I do feel a little guilty rubbing that in. I know I'm out here in my shorts and my t-shirt and these guys are still dealing with snow, but you know, I got a lot of fellow YouTuber friends that are, I got Noel and Marcel and Mike up in Canada. I got Chris in Vermont, Jeff in New York, and Ed and Johnny in Oregon. And that brings us to our shout out today. So, I got a letter in the mail from Johnny, and I didn't know if Johnny did stickers or not. I don't know if he had done them and he ran out, or if he just hadn't had them and started. But either way, I don't recall seeing his sticker on anybody else's channel that I'm in this YouTube circle with. So forgive me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm going to say hopefully I'm the first one showing his sticker. I don't know. First one that I remember seeing anyway. So I'll show you the sticker and I'm going to walk over here and hold it up. So I want to make sure you see it in the view. But the YouTube channel, Pine Ridge Ranch Hay and Cattle, they're in Sisters, Oregon. Now Johnny and his brother do farming. They do hay and cattle. He's got a great channel. He does great videography, editing. It's just really good. So check it out. So here's the letter he sent me. Hey Steve, hope this letter finds you well. I really enjoy watching your channel and picking up new tips and tricks. Now that could be like what not to do, and I'm okay with that too. I'm excited to see more of your projects in the future. Thank you as well for all the support you've given me. It truly means a lot. Hope you enjoy the sticker. All my best, Johnny from Pine Ridge Ranch Hay and Cattle. So Johnny's got some cool stuff on his channel. He's got this Ford tractor. And I should have checked it before I made this video. I want to say it's like is it a 9050? I'm not sure of the number. If I think of it, I'll edit it in and put it in here. But it's basically like, almost like a backwards tractor. You know, your typical large farm tractor would have the 3-point hitch in the back. And you'd hook up your implements. And this one's kind of, the back is the front. At least that's the way I look at it. Go to his channel and check it out. It's white, and it's got this cool hay loader in the front. And that's what he uses to load his hay bales onto his truck. And he's got an awesome Kenworth cab over truck. I appreciate trucks, semis, rigs. I don't know much about them. I really don't. I think they're cool. I see them on the highways driving, and you know, I can appreciate the amount of time and work that a lot of drivers put in to customize their rigs. And he's got a cool one. It's like a color I've never seen before. It reminds me almost of like an antifreeze color. Kind of like if you mixed a lime yellow and a mustard kinda. But it had a lot of haze on it, some weathering, and he's gone through and just really cleaned it up and spent a lot of time getting the paint buffed out, getting the chrome shining, and it looks sick. It's a sweet ride. So definitely check that out as well. So here's the sticker board. I'm going to go ahead and add you on here. I'm going to put you on this side over here. So as always, I'm going to do a quick review because that's what it's all about. If you get a chance, check out these channels. They're all great people. They're all great channels. So Tractor Talk with Gary. Gary's got all kinds of cool auction videos, farm auctions out in the Midwest. Gravely Man Small Engine Repair, Artie. He's up in New Jersey. Right now he's got plows on his Gravely two-wheeled tractors. He's about to be switching over here to mowers hopefully soon. Spring's coming. Chris, Weekend Warrior 802. He's the one we did the most recent shout out for. He's in Vermont. All kinds of cool Kubota tractor, John Deere tractor, logging, chainsaws and everything. Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Noel has a sticker collection 4 times the size of this, and every Sunday he does a Sunday afternoon fireside chat with Noel, and he goes over all the channels of what they've put out for the week. It's just a real nice way to pay tribute to the other YouTube channels. Of course, Rusty Wrench, you're on here. Dell, in the backyard with Dell. He's down in North Carolina. He has just done it wasn't a restoration. He had a wheel horse tractor that had some real nice patina on it, and he meticulously took it apart and cleaned it up. And I'm not even sure what it was that he used on there to like just really bring out. Maybe it was like it wasn't a linseed oil, I don't think. I'll have to go back and check it out. I'm sorry, Dell. I don't know what you used, but it looks great, and I should probably try that on Bozo. Obviously, Johnny at Pine Ridge Ranch Hay and Cattle. We just got him up here. Brock from Lewis Mowers. Anything with an engine, this guy knows how to fix it. Snowmobiles, mowers, tractors. He's got it all. Rototillers. Kev's Can Cave. Kev, I've always talked about. The only word I can think of to describe Kev is eclectic. He's got a little bit of everything. Amazing man cave with beer cans, signs, memorabilia. He puts up some cool trivia games, a lot of cool stuff. Check his channel out. Adirondack Woodsman, Jeff, he's one of the ones I said was up in New York. He's got a nice cabin up in the woods. He had just reached his 1,000 subscribers, I think a few weeks ago, but he's got a contest up right now. I think it's still going, so check out his channel. If you go to his channel, you can watch his latest video. He'll refer you back to an older video, and you have to kind of watch it and look for the clues, and you get entered in to win some cool stuff. He's got some neat stuff. There's like 3 different items you can win. Kenny from Firewood Adventure, always going out into the woods of Canada. Kenny's up there too in the snow. Sorry, buddy. I got your shorts on for you. But he's got a nice wood shop, wood splitting, taking down old trees and doing firewood and everything. And then last but not least, Blanket Chip Farm, which is Farming Alaska. Dylan, he just put up a podcast recently about the feed industry in Alaska and Canada. And every time I watch those podcasts, I learn something new, amazing stuff. So all great channels. Check them out. There's plenty more. If you go on my homepage, you can go down to see the channels that I recommend. There's a bunch more on there too that I don't have stickers for. Not all the channels that I support in my circle have stickers, and that's okay. But I do make sure they're all on there, and I'm pretty sure it's up to date. I checked everything like about a month ago. But those are all great channels. I wouldn't put them on there if they weren't worth watching. So, but anyway, back to Johnny. Thank you for the sticker, sir. Great channel. Keep it up. I love the cab over. I love that Ford Halo tractor. I wish I remember the number for it. I know it starts with a 9. 900, 950, 9050. It's one of them. He'll correct me out here. Just comment below. But check these channels out. If you still got snow where you live, the warm weather's coming, I assure you. And I appreciate you swinging by to check in for this channel shout out. Check out his channel, give him a subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.